Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your location on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast in your mobile device. Tap on the 3 icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right of your screen. Go ahead and tap on privacy settings. Disable the button that reads show location. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.